There's the crew. Hey guys, Tim in San Diego here. I want to talk to you about mechanical sympathy and taking care of your car, being sensitive to the thing, listening for sounds, looking for leaks. While you guys have put your cars away for the winter and they're safely tucked away from the snow and salt, we have to keep working on customer cars all winter time. So we just was playing with one of the cars that the shop owns, and I heard a little tiny knocking sound on the back throttle. So after you rev it up, where the oil pressure gets real high, and then you come off the throttle, the pressure decreases as the RPM is decreasing. We thought we heard a rod knock, so better to be preemptive on that. Turns out this 1983 car had original rod bearings in it. Great oil, took care of things, kept the pressure up, but still, look at these rod bearings. This was, strangely enough, this was the number one, was the worst. Had some good, I don't want to call it a divot, but it's in there. It's got a nice wear spot on there. Normally we see that on the number 2 rod bearing. So the other ones have some wear on them, but as you can see, if I can zero in on this thing enough, you may be able to see there's numbers on there, and it was saying, looks like 10 of 83. So as original rod bearings, tribute to the quality that Porsche puts, attention to detail on their parts and manufacturers that they do business with, right? Porsche doesn't make the parts. They make the specs, specify the alloys and blah, blah, and then somebody else makes them. So pay attention to your car's noises. Have mechanical sympathy. Don't take the thing to 6,800 RPM if it's not supposed to be up there. And we'll get this thing remedied and back on its feet here hopefully today, and hopefully no noises out of it. All right, take care.